found the egg that was hidden in the cup.
Yeah.
So now we'll put it in another cup. Ah, you lost the blue purple one. Yeah, it fell off your head. Yeah, oh my gosh. You so need a nose wipe. Yeah. Ready? Nose wipe. Here we go. Oh, whoops. You wanna pick up the ball? Wow! Ka-chum. Roll me the ball. Yay! Here it comes. Here's the ball. Yay! Here comes the ball.